Lovesick cover contest cover winner. It won. To be honest, I was aiming for second place because my Skype, I don't know what happened to it, but it wasn't working, so I was just like, I'll be happy with second place, and then I won, and I thank you for that. That's pretty cool. I've never really won anything in my life, ever. So this is definitely going on one of my every job application I ever fill out. It'll be on there that I once won something, and it was a cover contest, and they'll be like, cover what? And I'll be like, cover Lovesick, cover anything. It's really cool. I don't know how many people entered, probably not many. It's still really cool. I didn't expect to win at all, because I can't sing at all. Don't get any impression of me when you see my name, Ariel Lovesick cover contest winner, that, oh, she must be a really good singer, because I can't sing at all, but I can do this. Cover Lovesick, cover Ellen. Nope, no, oh, right there, cover. And if you never give up on your dreams, you will succeed in something. May not be what you thought it would be, but it will be something. And something is better than nothing at all. So don't give up. Thank you again. Now I'd like to thank all the people who sent me tweets and everything. I couldn't really reply back to all of them, like you were congratulating me. So I'd like to say thank you for that too. They are actually filling up my email because my Twitter is connected to my email. So they're all in my inbox still because I can't delete any of them yet because I want to read them all. So thank you for that. Haven't quite won anything like this before. Haven't won anything. I've won a water bottle at a bowling tournament. It wasn't even a bowling tournament. It was just bowling night in elementary school. But I won a water bottle. This is really unexpected, and I'm very grateful and thankful. Thank you. So thank all of you, and Lovesick Edward in an Ellen shirt cover. And thank you, Grandma, I love you.